Top 5 most common Ninja Slushi problems and how to fix each one fast. Got a Ninja Slushi that's acting up? Here are the 5 most common issues and exactly what to do about each one. Number 1, it's not freezing. If your mix stays liquid no matter how long it runs, chill the mix in the fridge before use. Below 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit is best. Avoid sugar-free or high alcohol bases. Stick to about 470 milliliters. Overfilling slows everything down. Number 2, slush won't dispense. If you pull the handle and nothing comes out, let the container sit for 1 to 2 minutes after the cycle. Check the tap and nozzle for frozen chunks. Stir gently with a silicone spatula to loosen the texture. Clean the spout area if needed. Number 3, it stops mid-cycle. If your slushy shuts off before finishing, unplug it and let it cool for 10 minutes. Don't overload the mix. Thick or frozen solid bases can stall the motor. Stir or thin your mix slightly before restarting. Number 4, frozen drink is too runny. If your slush comes out like juice, increase sugar content, at least 4% is ideal. Always chill the mix in the fridge beforehand. Let the machine run the full cycle without stopping early. Number 5, it won't turn on. If the unit is totally unresponsive, try a different outlet or reset your GFCI switch. Unplug for 60 seconds and reinsert the container. Make sure the vessel clicks into place and the lid is secure. Most slushy problems come down to prep, cleaning, or small assembly slips, and every one of them is fixable. If this saved you time and hassle, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more videos that get straight to the point. And if you want to make prep easier, we've linked a kitchen measuring set in the description that helps you hit the volume every time. Thanks for watching, and swirl stress-free.